Quite a bit of cloud cover still hanging in this morning when you're up on top of a building 400 feet up or so. Sometimes you poke up into the cloud there, which is essentially what's going on. We've got low clouds and we've also got quite a bit of fog around. In fact, we've got some areas of dense fog out towards Jackson. You're down to zip for visibility, 1 mile from Danville down through Somerset. So watch out for low visibility, but also anticipate no rain, which is good news. Now, not entirely. We're not entirely done with the rain. We still have the possibility of some sprinkles, some patchy drizzle around. But as far as the widespread soaking rain from yesterday, that's gone. They've got rain and snow up to the north. There's a bit of winter weather for folks in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Here, we're still talking about rain chances. Even next week, with this midweek chance, it's going to be showers, possibly even some thunderstorms with temperatures spiking toward the middle of the week as well. But on the back end of that, we could have an actual change towards some much colder air. The 8-day forecast looks interesting into next week, to say the least. And this was very beneficial for the drought. We had a ½ inch of rain in Lexington over the past 24 hours, 7/10 of an inch down in Campbellsville. Check out Liberty down in Casey County, 8/10 of an inch, and some ½ inch to 4/10 of an inch totals from Hindman over through Hazard there. The future track shows the cloud cover that's going to be very stubborn today, and just that hint of green, little indications of some isolated showers and sprinkles trying to hang on into the afternoon. So don't be surprised if you encounter a couple of those today, but it'll be nothing like yesterday for sure. Now into Saturday, there's a wave of low pressure, a little ripple coming through, just enough to spark some scattered showers. Notice where they will be and where they're less likely. South of I-64 toward the Tennessee border, better chance for a few hours of more widespread rain with some scattered showers here. So yeah, unfortunately Saturday we're still going to be on the active side, but lower rain chance compared to yesterday. And then by Sunday could be a few lingering showers toward the Tennessee border in the morning. What's happening is we've got into next week, over the weekend actually, this big trough digging into the Pacific Northwest. Big storm out there. Coastal flooding, mountains, snow, quite a bit of wind as well, and we're cooling down at the end of the weekend. But notice this big kink in the upper level winds, this upper low back to the west. That strong southwesterly flow out ahead of it will punch us up to around 60 by the middle of next week. But then, as that low tracks east, northeast, we will see active weather and then a potentially significant cool down, cold snap maybe even on the back end of that. Still a ways out there, though. We're in the mid-40s in Lexington. The high temperature trend shows what I'm talking about. We'll go from mid-50s today to bottoming out and around normal, which is now 47 early next week. And then, boom, there's that spike around Wednesday with a high of around 60 degrees. And then the temperature drop that'll follow it. So cloudy to at times mostly cloudy today. Isolated showers and sprinkles. They're the scattered showers for your Saturday into the afternoon, mainly into our southern counties, breaking the precip chance down hour by hour. It's not much today. It gets slightly better. You can see that bump into the afternoon tomorrow. And then by Sunday, we dry out. And then midweek, showers, potentially even some strong storms, depending on the track of that system. Windy, warm initially, and then falling temperatures Thursday. And yes, potentially even a hint of a few flakes mixing in with that upcoming weekend there.
All right.